You are busy and you don't have hours to spend each day on making new products, nor do you have the energy to market your existing products on social media every day. Am I right? Well, what if I told you that I have 8 highly effective ways to make more money with your shop that require very little time and effort from you? These 8 strategies are ones that I've implemented for myself and I have seen great success with, so now I'm passing them on to you. Are you ready? Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa, and this channel is all about starting and growing your digital product business and making money online. So if you're interested in that, then definitely consider subscribing. So did you know that you can change the order of how your listings appear in your shop? Well, you can, and I suggest that you do this if you want to make more money with your Etsy shop. What you want to do is you want to place items that complement each other next to each other. This increases the likelihood of shoppers adding both items to their cart, which will increase your average price per order over time. For example, I might choose to place my business card template next to the matching thank you card template. All you have to do in order to do this is head to your shop manager page, select the pencil icon to edit, select rearrange shop, and then slide your listings around to your liking. Pretty easy and effective way to increase that average price per order. Moving on to tip number 2, you want to organize your shop sections for an easier buying experience. So do you get a lot of questions about the different variations you have or different products that you have available? Well, you should take note of the things that people are asking you and then consider organizing your shop sections based on what people are asking about. This is because if a handful of people are taking the time to message you, then think about all of the other people who are thinking that question but aren't messaging you. So if they can't find what they're looking for, then they're likely to bounce off your shop and go to your competitor's shop. So organizing your shop section by the categories that most people are asking about does make it easier for customers to find what they need more effortlessly. And if they're able to find what they're looking for more effortlessly with less friction, then you're going to increase that conversion rate over time. For example, I have my shop sections set up like this: thank you card bundles, thank you card templates, and business card templates. But I do get a lot of questions about color. So something I might want to reconsider is organizing my shop sections by color. It's really simple to do this. All you have to do is head to your shop manager page, click on settings, select the listings that you want to group under a specific section, and then you're going to click on editing options. You're going to click change section, then you're going to select add section, and you're going to name your section title and then hit save. Okay, so this one might take a little bit longer than the previous 2 tips, but it's still a relatively fast process and it is so worth doing. So what you want to do is you want to bundle like items together, or you want to bundle best sellers in a single listing. This will definitely help you increase your average price per order when it's done right. For example, I have bundled 4 different pink thank you card designs in one listing. And doing this has majorly increased my average price per order because I'm able to charge more for the bundled listing. Now, the trick is to make sure that you offer a small discount on the bundle. So let's say you're selling 3 different individual listings for $5 each. The bundle, if you didn't discount it, would be $15, but you want to maybe offer it for $12 or $13. And this will just give shoppers an incentive, a good reason why they should buy the bundle instead of the individual listing. It just makes it more likely that they're going to purchase the bundle if they're getting a discount. And a pro tip, add an infographic of the bundled offer to those individual listings. Alongside that, you want to add a link to the bundle in the description box of those individual listings. And this is so it makes it easier for people to see that you have a bundle available, and making it easy for them to navigate to that bundled listing just makes it more likely that they're going to click over to that bundled listing and purchase that higher priced offer. If you're finding this video helpful, it would really help me if you can give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below which tip you'll be implementing first. Also, if you're interested in learning the A to Z of how to grow a successful digital product Etsy shop, I have a 60-minute free training that you can check out that basically teaches you how to do this step by step, and I'll link that down below in the description box. Moving on to tip number 4, which is you want to link your best-selling products in the listing descriptions of other related products. For example, if I'm selling a teal thank you card, yes, I might want to link the matching business card card and the 4 teal bundled offer, yes, but also I want to link the best-selling pink thank you card as well. So if my pink thank you cards are best sellers, I want to link them in the description box, because if people are loving a certain color or a certain product, then the odds are that more people are interested in it as well. It might have just been that they didn't stumble upon that listing first. They found your shop from a different listing or through a different source. So adding the link to these best-selling products in your other listing descriptions will definitely increase the amount of traffic to those already popular listings, which will also increase the number of sales. Similarly, you want to add your best sellers to your featured section on Etsy so they are front and center when someone lands on your shop. All you have to do is go to your shop manager page, select the pencil icon to edit, and then select where it says featured area to highlight listings. Click on that and add up to 4 highlighted listings. The 6th easy strategy you want to implement to make more money on Etsy is you want to create a canned response for buyers and regularly ask for reviews. Now, in an article from optinmonster.com, they said that 90% of customers say online reviews impact their purchasing decisions. And I know from personal experience that reviews really do impact my buying decisions, so I really believe that. And one of the easiest ways to get reviews is to ask for them. But asking for reviews can get tedious and time-consuming if you don't have a system. So that's why I personally created a canned response template, and it's been really effective in getting customers to leave those reviews. What I used to do before I handed it off to my assistant was I would once a week sit down for 10 minutes, depending on how many sales I got that week, and I would personalize the greeting for each customer, and then I would thank them for their order. I would ask them if they need any help, and then I would request for feedback if they were happy with their purchase. Now, when I don't implement this strategy, I really don't get a lot of reviews. Now, here's a pro tip that can be really helpful. You want to create an infographic of your favorite reviews and then add that as a listing photo. That way, when shoppers are just scrolling through your photos, those 5-star reviews are front and center. So if you have an extra listing photo slot, then definitely do this. It can only help you make more sales. And FYI, MMA students, this new template that is really helping me get those reviews, that is now available in the online course portal. So go check it out and start implementing that review template right away. Tip number 7 is to add your best long tail keyword to the beginning of your title and include it in your tags. Now, this might be obvious, but the twist is I want you to use the tool Keywords Everywhere to help you find that best long tail keyword, and then take that keyword and add it to the beginning of your title and your tags. Now, I've mentioned the tool Keywords Everywhere before, but it's so good, I have to mention it again because this can be game-changing for you. And the reason is because when you're doing keyword research on Marmalade or eRank and you can't decide between 2 keywords, usually it's because the search volume is too similar. But you can use Keywords Everywhere to find the search volume of those keywords in Google. And since Google is the largest search engine in the world and it has a larger data set, you can see more information, and this helps you make a better decision. So for example, if you're trying to decide between these 2 long tail keywords in Marmalade, you can see that social media planner calendar has under 25 searches per month, and social media planner template has 32 searches per month. But if we look at Keywords Everywhere, we can see that on Google, social media planner calendar has 880 searches per month, and social media planner template has 5,400 searches per month. So it's pretty clear which is the more searched for keyword. So you want to place the best long tail keyword in the beginning of your title because the beginning of the title holds the most weight, and you also want to add it to your tags. And if your long tail keyword is more than 20 characters, that's okay. You can just break up the phrase into 2 tags and just make sure you place them side by side. And now a pro tip is that you also want to add that long tail keyword to the first sentence of your listing description. And this is so you will eventually have a better chance of ranking in Google Shopping, because Google does look at your Etsy description and your title in order to rank you in search, specifically in the shopping section of Google. Also, Etsy has recently announced that their algorithm will finally be paying attention to the keywords you add to your listing descriptions. So more reason to continue this practice. Now, tip number 8 is to A/B test your main photos and SEO. And if you've been here for a while, I know I sound like a broken record, but duplicating my listings has really been a game changer for me, so I need to reiterate it again. Duplicating your listings and testing out SEO and your main photos will do 3 things that are really important. Number 1, it will give those new listings a temporary boost in the algorithm, so that means more eyeballs on your listings because of that temporary boost. Number 2, by creating more listings, you're taking up more space on Etsy, and more importantly, you're taking up more space in your specific category because you're increasing the amount of listings that you're contributing to the overall volume of that category. And number 3, you can learn things. Over time, you will be able to have a better understanding of which main photos grab attention and compel people to click on your listing. And when you A/B test your SEO, you'll have a better understanding of the keywords that are helping you get found and are helping you convert shoppers into customers. So if you want to know more about A/B testing, I suggest you check out this video right here. I go into more detail. I'll link that down below in the description box. And if you're interested in learning how to grow a successful digital product Etsy shop from start to finish, well, definitely check out that 60-minute free training, which I'll link down below in the description box as well. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a favor and give it a thumbs up and let me know down below in the comment section which was your favorite tip and which one you're gonna try first. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.